months of starvation because he was lost, and now I don't know where he is. Yeah, so
It's horrible.
I'm just gonna go over here. No, maybe just smoke a cigarette.
I wear tape rolls everywhere. I want to start this new trend where everyone wears tape rolls. You know, I'm gonna start a new. I'm gonna put husk on my hat. Yeah, I'll be cool with that.
Ugh, this is gross. What the heck? Ow! Pricker!
Look at that hole over there. I once had a hole in my backyard before, and a lion lived in it. I have a really good voice, and I'm gonna sing with nature like birds. Tweet, 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 tweet.
Do not go in that lion hole.
Why?
Because
There might be a pretty animal in there. I once had a lion.
I think we lost her. Oh my god, I was scared. Ticks, okay? My husband got bit by one. I don't even know if it's our anniversary today. I think so, but you know, who cares? You know, because I hate him. I just got married because